Welcome to AlphaCars for this short video. My name is Dimitri.
And I'm Andrew.
This is Andrew, and Ian is running the camera. So Andrew came from New York to pick up his G-Class. We asked Andrew to share his experience, why we're here, and what happened.
This is a 2017 G-Class that I bought secondhand. So I don't know what the prior circumstances were, but I did notice that last year, all of a sudden the car just blossomed in rust everywhere. I did some searches and I discovered that AlphaCars is very good at restoring these cars. I came up and I met with Dimitri and his team. Not only did they have a track record of repairing these cars, but he actually showed me tools that he's invented to get inside the doors to get out the rust. I knew that I was in incredibly good hands. And over the course of the restoration project, AlphaCars kept me unbelievably informed. I got photos and videos every week documenting progress. Anything that came up, they sent me the photos, they sent me the documentation, they asked what I'd like to do, they confirmed everything. While the car was here in the shop, I also elected to change the rims on the car. AlphaCars sourced the rims, installed them, road force balanced them. I mean, the car is better than new. And there's things on it that I hadn't expected doing, like paint protection film, which is not just applied in the front areas, but on very sophisticated areas that are specific to this car. So I feel like this car is not only better than when I got it, it's probably better than when it left the Mercedes showroom. And I cannot recommend the service here highly enough.
Well, thank you, Andrew. And great choice with the rims. We love it. It's awesome. So thank you for viewing, and until next time. Here's the bonus footage that Andrew graciously agreed to, offered us. We asked and he agreed. So he traveled by train from New York, and then from train station, instead of going the Uber route, he came with this absolutely phenomenal, ingenious bicycle. And it has unbelievable features, starting from its own power supply to power up the brake light and the running lights, and it is absolutely phenomenal. So we thought we would share that, and I guess that this is the brand, and whoever came up with this, it is brilliant. I'm going to check them out. I don't know if I can afford one, but
highly recommended. Invented in the 60s in England by Mr. Brompton. Folds in thirds.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
With the dirty parts on the inside.
And check this out. This last part is absolutely amazing. That is just a nice finishing touch. Thank you for that. Appreciate it.